Hey guys, it is May 26th, a long-awaited day. Back in March, Sydney bought a condo from me, and we are finally moving into it this weekend. I am getting the rest of my things packed up. We have to go to the storage unit yet and get all of our furniture, and then head off to Great Falls. When I'm there, I'm going to do a before and after thing. We're going to be painting and setting up our new furniture, so I'm excited to show you guys the new life in the condo. Stay tuned. We are finally at the condo after unloading everything. Well, we haven't unloaded yet. We've loaded everything from our unit and the house, so I'm going to show you guys through the condo before it's all decorated. It is currently 10 o'clock and we have mostly unpacked everything. We still have a few things left in our room. Correction, we have everything left in our rooms, but the main floor is pretty much done. We still have a few more things, but I'll just take you back through. Today is day 2 of moving into the condo. We went to church this morning, went and got groceries, and went to Sherwin-Williams to get paint. So I'm gonna take you down with us to paint the kitchen, and then hopefully we make it onto the bathrooms today. And I think that's pretty much the rest of what's on our agenda. I still have to unpack a lot of things, but it's coming together. It's okay. We'll get there, but let's go paint the kitchen. I started this on Saturday, May 26th, and that's when we first started moving into Sydney's condo. I believe we unpacked the last box last night. So aside from getting a few more paintings or pictures up on the wall, we are all moved in, finally settled in, and I am ready to show you guys what the final project looks like. We did do some painting in the kitchen and our bathrooms, and we put up some wallpaper as well, so you'll see all of that. But give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will show you what the condo looks like. So this is our entryway, and we just hung up a few picture frames and a mirror on the wall and put this little table here. We have our fun welcome mat, And then the door is just right there. And of course, if you watch Friends, you know what that yellow picture frame is from. And then we just have a coat closet here, and it is full of old high school prom dresses, so I won't show you that. So we first walk into our living room, and the previous condo owner was so awesome. She left a lot of her furniture for us. So this table and these couches, it was one big couch, but we decided to split it in two. And then over here we have a bookshelf. We have so many books, and then this is our little fish Finnegan. And if you think that we should get a cat to complete this little house, you better like this video or comment saying we need one. So then the dining room, this table came with the house as well, and it is so awesome. It seats 6 people, and then we have bar stools over there for 4 more. And then we have this cool chest with our record player on it, all of our records, more books. And this door is a half bath, and we have not touched that one yet. It's actually basically a closet right now, so I'm not going to open that one. So here is our kitchen. We repainted our eat sign. It used to be purple. And then you will have seen the clips from before we painted the kitchen, but we painted the top cabinets white, and then these lower cabinets a dark bluish greenish color. And then the kitchen overlooks into there, which you already saw. We also put up this wallpaper. Out this way we have our cute little back patio, a little fire pit, and then that leads back into the garage, which we won't go in because all of our moving boxes are still there. That is our condo tour. I know it's been a week since we started this process, but we are finally done, moved in, and hopefully we get our kitten soon, so I'll obviously feature that into another video. But I hope you guys like it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment below on what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you in the next video.